everyone alive in our hearts. To the officers and members who have paved the way before us, thank you for welcoming us into this sisterhood with open arms. We bring with us our diverse talents, our unique experiences, and above all, a shared willingness to serve. To my fellow inductees, congratulations. Let us carry this new title with pride, dignity, and a steadfast dedication to the ideals of Dr. Jose Rizal. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Ladies for Rizal at ang Knights of Rizal, and have a wonderful evening.
Now may I call in Lady Judelaine Ramirez Catalano to sing for us, Anak.
For my spiel, allow me to use the podium because I'll be reading. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
As many of you know, tonight is especially meaningful for me because I am being inducted into the Ladies for Rizal, New York. Let's give a round of applause to the elegant and beautiful Ladies for Rizal, New York. When Madam President Attorney Lily Cuevas told me about the induction, I asked in jest if it would involve jumping over the Hudson River while reciting Chapter 7 of El Filibusterismo. Thankfully, she assured me it would be much less dangerous than that. I was really aiming to be one of the Knights of Rizal, but unfortunately, I lacked the Adam's apple required for the job. Tonight also marks the birthday of Dr. Jose Rizal, one of the first global Filipinos, whose humanity cannot be confined to a single title. He dedicated his genius, intellect, and talent in service of our nation. His love for the Philippines was so profound that he ultimately gave his life for the freedoms we enjoy today. In honor of his legacy, I am privileged to perform a song thoughtfully selected by Knights of Rizal President Sir Ramesh Buzeta. And because I recently learned personally from our very cool, very rock and roll Conjen Senen Mangalile, unfortunately he's not here, but he said to take a video of it, I prepared this special OPM arrangement tonight. So in unison, everybody, let's all say, Happy birthday, Dr. Jose Rizal. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Dr. Jose Rizal.
And thank you all for welcoming me into this wonderful organization. Music, Kuya Marvin. Nang isilang ka sa mundong ito, laking tuwa ng magulang mo, at ang kamay nila ang iyong nilay. At ang nanay at tatay mo, di malaman ng gagawin, minamasdan pati pagtulog mo. At sa gabi nabubuyan ang iyong nanay sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo. At sa umaga na may kalong kanyang iyong amang tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Ngayon ay malaki ka na, nais mong maging malaya, di man sila payag, walang magagawa. Ikaw ay biglang nagbago, naging matigas ang iyong ulo, ang payo nila'y sinuway mo. At ang iyong mga matay biglang lumuha nagkamali. Taas po natin ang ating kamay. Congratulations to all the inductees, ladies for Rizal and knights for Rizal. Hamo si Paraluhan. Kung tayo ay bata pa, at ang galing-galing mong sumayaw, mapabuti man o cha-cha, ngunit ang paborito ay pagsayaw mo ng LB mo. Nakakaindah, nakakaliw, nakakatindi, balahibo. Kagaling sa eskwela ay diretso na sa inyo. Buong maghapon ay tinuturuan mo ako. Everybody say! Magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay. Nanigas aking katawan, ikot na ang plaka, sabay sa kembot ng bewang mo, bungay ng iyong mga mata, lumiliwanag ang buhay, habang tayo ay magkaabahay, at dahan-dahan tumutulan ang kamay ko sa makinis mong braso. Sana noon pa man ay sinabi na sa iyo, kahit di na uso ay alam ko. Magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay. La 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 la, la la. Everybody say! La 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 la. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. God be the glory.
Iba talaga ang nabubuo sa dibdib mo, di ba? Pagka kinakanta mo sa wikang Pilipino. Okay, we're on the last stretch and mind you, we are so good with our time. So, we acknowledge the men and women to the Philippine Consul General in New York,